Hello friends! Today I want to show you an interesting lunch or dinner idea. I am making a gluten-free version of pita bread. I am using my homemade buckwheat flour. Check the video in the description. Add water slowly until you reach the desired consistency. At this stage, you can add salt and your favorite spices to make it customized. Transfer the mixture to a non-stick pan. Spread it and wait for a few minutes before flipping. Time for the toppings. You can even use this pita bread as a pizza base. This is the olive paste I have been telling you about. Check the description for the link to the video. This is the pasta sauce I made. Again, check the description for the link to the video. The best herbs I could find. These are semi-fresh and the flavor is magnified. Thank you for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe.